Hello guys. Let's pick it. Let's open. Let's go. Open. Get out. Get na. Let's pick it. Picket muna. Picket. Ayan. Please. Let's open. Wait for it. Open. What is this? Zoe, yung drawing natin ay kukulayan. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan kung anong papadrawing na pa at kukulayan. Part 3 na lang guys. Ito yung drawing ko. Kasi papasok pa si Dad. Bye! Part 3. Part 3 guys. Bye bye. I love you. Zoe ka dyan. Sino mga favorite ang drawing? Comment lang. I love you.